Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to update emojis on your Android phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. There are multiple ways to update your emojis on your Android phone. So first of all, what you guys have to do is you guys can update your Android. So you guys can update your phone from settings and go to settings. Now here just scroll down and tap on system, and here you have to tap on system update and you guys can update system. So what it can do is after updating the system, all the emojis can also change, like especially in Samsung phones. You guys can just update your phone and your emojis has been updated. Now I'm going to tell you how you can update your emojis if it's not work by updating. So what you have to do is you just have to go to Google Play Store. Now here you have to search for Gboard. You have to select the first application and you have to install this. Now what it can do is Gboard is a very beautiful keyboard which allow us to use multiple features, and it has built-in emojis. Now you guys can see here, so you guys can update the emojis after updating the Gboard app, and in this way you guys can be able to update emojis on your Android phone. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.